Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I recently for Boxing Day I wanted to get like a new mic because we were planning to do more podcasts, and many people actually told us in the previous podcast that our audio quality can be better apart from the one which I'm recording, which is a Rode video mic for iPhone. So that is like probably like the best mic I have with me right now. So for that I wanted to get a good wireless mic system. I was looking for comparisons or if there's anything else, but there's also this DJI Mic. I think it got released last year, and pretty much this and the Rode pretty much the same setup, but the only thing I liked about this DJI is this comes in a case. That's why I like this. It's more convenient with the case, so you can just charge the case and it just basically gets charged from the case, so basically like AirPods. Yeah, I think even like the price, the Rode was actually expensive than this. I got this for Boxing Day, and this was $350. Compared to like Rode wireless, I think this one is better. So yeah, let's open this, unbox this, and also test the audio and see how it is from my current Rode. We'll see, we'll test out everything. So that's gonna be this video, and before that, please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So let's get into this video. So yeah, this is the box. I think the case should be pretty big compared to an AirPods case. So yeah, let's go and open this up. Nowadays DJI they have a good partnership with Apple. Okay, I never remove the wrappers like this. I don't like it, but it's okay. So yeah, this is the box, and okay, let's open that. Yeah. And then first we have this I don't know, should be the accessories, I guess. So let's open this up. So this is the, they just basically kept everything in the pouch. So yeah, this is the carrying pouch which they've given us. Inside that we have just the manuals, the warranty, yeah, and those things. We have like a quick start guide. I'm just gonna keep this, and then other thing. Okay, so we have the charging cable. This is the USB A to C, and we have this TRS cable. So this is what we use to connect it to the DSLR, which I'll show you when I connect it. And this is the dead cat, which we're gonna connect it to the transmitters. They have two of that. So that's pretty much in the carrying case. So we'll keep all this aside, and after that we have the case. Oh, this is heavy. This is actually heavy, and it's pretty big. It's like double or maybe triple the size of an AirPods case. So yeah, this is the case. We have a USB charging port there. Their packaging is so similar to Apple. So I'm just gonna keep the box aside. So yeah, this is the charging case, which has the transmitters and the receiver. Pretty good, pretty nice, and there's a charging port on the back. So that's pretty much it. DJI on the top, and I think we have lights here, 4 lights. So I think okay. So let's open this. Oh yeah, you can see. So once I open this, it basically has like maybe I guess 75% charge now, and one of the both of the transmitters are it actually shows me like the charging levels on this. So this is the receiver, and these two are the transmitters. So these two are the ones which you're gonna wear here, and this is the one which is gonna be on top of the camera. So yeah, it looks really cool. Yeah, so both of these are blinking, so I guess they're connected already, and it shows me the charging levels, and it also shows me the amount of time I can record on both these. So that's the good thing about this DJI is if you're gonna use, let's say I'm just gonna take out one of these. Oh, it's so small. Okay, I thought it'll be bigger. So this is the receiver. I'm sorry, I always get confused there. This is the transmitter. So we're gonna wear it here, and basically each of these have like, I guess, around like 8 GB of storage. So you know, if you want to transfer those, let's say if I'm using this to record this video, and once I finish recording, I can just connect this with the USB-C cable directly to the PC, and it just basically works like a hard drive or like a pen drive. So you can just copy the recordings directly. So you know, it's just gonna show, a PC is gonna detect this as like an external storage, so you can just directly do that. So it's basically a storage device, all these things. And you know, once you place this in, it's gonna show the battery levels here, and also how much time we can record on both of these. So both of these can hold like 15 hours of recordings now, because it's empty. I guess that's like the maximum capacity we can keep in each of these. So you can literally record for like 15 hours just with just this one. It looks really small. I like this. I think the Rode wireless is pretty much like, it's bigger than this, and it's like a square shaped. I think it's like maybe this big, but this one is small. And we also have this magnetic clip here, a 3.5mm jack on both of these. I think it's just to like monitor the audio. So these two are the transmitters. Oh, I thought it would be bigger. Okay. Oh, these look actually so small. I did watch like videos, and they actually look like really big on the video. So yeah, they have like a really good touch display on this. So we have to set the language. Oh no. Okay. And what's the date? Maybe, I guess. Okay, it's this way. So today is January 1st, and what's the time? 3:20. It's really small, so it's actually hard to navigate with this, but I'm just gonna set the time quickly. Oh yeah, it's booted up, and it's readily like connected already, so you can see the levels as I speak. So this is the receiver, and we have basically the display here, which is pretty nice to see. So if you actually put this on top of the DSLR, I think the displays are pretty nice. And on this side we have the power button, so you can turn it off, and we have the USB-C, and on the back we have the charging what do you call this, like magnets, I guess. And this one is for out, so basically this is where the TRS cable goes to this and to the DSLR, and this is to monitor the audio. So on the receiver we have the actual mic here, and the monitoring 3.5mm jack. So there's like a link button here, and there's like a record button here, and on bottom we have a charging, and on this side we have the power button. So because I'm just like one person right now, I'm just going to, should I hold it? Oh yeah, so it's turned off. So this one is the second, so we lost one of those. So I'm just gonna put this back. I think it's just for my own. So yeah, second one is inside. Also inside the case we have these two plugs. So this is like the, I'm not sure, like this is like the best feature when it comes to this DJI mic comparatively with the Rode, because you know, if you want to use it at any point, you know, with like a iPhone or whatever it is, they've given like both, one USB-C, you know, if it's for Android or something like that, and a lightning cable. These two are like magnetic adapters, so you can basically just, I think, insert it this way here. And also we have like a small menu here, so we can turn on like mono mode, we can adjust the receiver's gain, we can check the volume, the transmitter settings, and also just the settings. So settings of this, so the brightness, language, and all that stuff. And I'm just not sure how I come back with this. Screen locked. Okay. Yeah, so we just come back by clicking the power button, I guess. So yeah, I just have this one connected right now. I think this is the cold shoe mount for the okay, so I just slide it in like that, and basically use this as a mount to mount it to the DSLR. So I'm just gonna do that. I'll connect it to the DSLR, and I'm just gonna clip this here, and let's switch the mic, and we'll see how the clarity of this. We'll do a sound test now. So yeah, with the unboxing, that's pretty much it. Yeah, but I really like this. This case is really convenient. So yeah, I'm not sure if it actually recorded the previous clip, but I did press record right now, and there's like a orange circle on the receiver now. So I guess it's recording now, and yeah, I guess this is the quality of the audio. I think it should be obviously better compared to the $30 mic set which I was using from Amazon for my podcast so far. I think it should definitely be better than that. When it comes to this Rode, I think the quality should be similar. But the only thing is, like, I don't have to really worry about, like, whether it's picking up my voice or do all that, with the shotgun mic. I can just literally just stand or, even like go back, because DJI says it has a range of 150 meters. I'm not really going to use it that far away. It's mostly going to be probably few meters, even when I'm vlogging. So I think this should be pretty good, and I don't have to really worry about picking up and all that. It's just here, it's neat and clean here. I don't really feel like I'm wearing a mic. So yeah, I can just walk and talk without worrying about anything, and the audio is gonna be picked up no matter what it is. So even if it's windy, I'm not really sure if we actually have to put this dead cat. Unless it's like way too windy. I don't really need to do this. I guess you guys like this unboxing video, and the audio quality, especially in the podcast and also in vlogs, should improve moving forward. I think you guys will like it. So yeah, I think it's a good purchase, and yeah, probably will be my primary mic moving forward. But I really like this design, the whole case, and I really like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it with unboxing, and thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe if you haven't. There's more videos coming up, and thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, it's Manish.